All right, so we're down in the Elkhart warehouse. I'm going to start in the corner. None of these rolls are ours. Obviously, the forklift's not ours, and this inventory that's back here in the corner is...
All but the back skid.
This back skid is ours?
It's not yours.
Is not?
Everything else is.
Well, this is just a pile of trash from Poly 1. But I imagine, okay, so this is ours, that's ours, that's ours. Coming over to here, we have a row here. This is all ours, right? These rolls are not ours. We got half a row here that's ours. If memory serves, we'll have a hard time getting the pallet jack over there. We're going to need to have that pull out. This row is ours, so we'll call that row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here, these two pallets are not ours, that cart's ours. There's a bunch of empty boxes up there which need to be cleaned up, but there's a pallet on the bottom there which is not ours.
What? The pallet on the bottom is yours.
Oh, the pallet on the bottom is ours?
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll get that figured out, and we'll get that back. I'm going to say we have, let's call it 6 in that row, 9 in this. Bars, we'll call it 5 in this mini little row. Might be a knife in there, Junior, for you.
You didn't find it?
Or Mark will probably have an extra here for
You
you.
didn't find it? Yeah.
And then we have a row of maybe, let's call it 9 here, 9 there. We're toppled over here on the side. I'll swing behind me in a second. Matter of fact, I'll deal with the left side first, and we'll walk down that right. We'll call that 8. We'll call this 8. We'll call this 9 or 10. We'll call this 9 or 10. This is going to need to go. We'll call this another 9 or 10. These are ELKs. There's a couple of JBLs that were mixed in the back there. This might be some JBL inventory in the front. I believe this is all ours. And that is ours, however, this is not. This,
All yours up to the pole.
this is us, and this is us up to the pole. We come to the pole. This apparently is not ours. How about these, this stacked over here? That stack is not ours, okay?
Those are all returns. These are yours.
Okay.
That's yours.
So there's maybe
yours.
there's 4 pallets
All
there.
those are yours.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. 1, 2, 2 there.
Everything else is
When it comes up to here, we'll call it, what, 10 or so? Sounds about right? These lockers would be nice for Operation Compassion. They would like those. 9 or 10. We got some more. We got some racking here. They like that when it's all same size. We could send that to OpComp today if we can get it dug out. Another row here of ours. Another row here of ours. Probably 10, maybe 11 deep. We'll call that. We're into 11207C, 206 in the back. There may be some J&L back here. I know we had some J&L mixed in up here. You'll see J&L 7. And that's important just because it's inventoried slightly different. And we have to pull up different spreadsheets for it. See if he can dig out that the pallet racking, please.
I put a plate on that truck, man.
Okay, thank you. 11608. As you see, it'd just be a massive job to actually take all this on apart. J&L. Walk down, we got another 6 there. We'll call these 4 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Call that 5. Call this 5. Call this 6. Call this 6. 7, 8, 6, 6, 6, A lot of broken up files here. We're gonna need to throw some manpower at this. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to this side. There's a middle row in here. This stuff's well buried. That's broken, so I need to go in a dumpster. We're gonna need to find people that put cans of garbage down here in Elkhart, because we have some stuff that there's just no way that we could try to find a donated home for. I know the video is very dark, but it's very dark here. We'll get a manual count. We can try to make a count from what I'm showing you, but again, it'd be difficult. You know, even if we called that 15, 30, 35, 45, 60, and even if we called this 20, 40, 60, that'd be $1.20 there. There's one there. That's not ours. Not ours. None of this is ours. Here on the side is some stuff for us. And that'll be us.
Get in it at an angle. And then it'll fit through there.
Just push that fucking 2x4 back against the wall or something.
That ain't a 2x4, it's a gate.
As you see, it's a little bit tight in here, so tempers can flare easily. It's important not to take any of this shit personal, just kind of go through it. There is a whole lot of paint down here, and it is not ours. We need to make that clear. This stuff that says 80 gram on it cannot be ours. LG Chem, no way is that ours. Okay, well that's it, boys and girls. There's the Elkhart warehouse in a nutshell. Like I said, this is the basement, and here's what's holding you up here. A couple little patches like that. Let's see if there's a path for me. No path. But as you see, they got a little. It puts the lotion on its skin, or else it gets the hose again room. It's going to look a lot better from the rearview mirror. Okay, that's it. Over and out.